don't know what to do. And now it's raining. We may not know what to do for a little bit. Well, I guess we do know what to do. We can't drag race if it's raining.
What's this on your glasses?
Altec. So that's our, and I've never had a draggy before, so I'm connected to my draggy. So we went testing. It's the first time out with the car last night, and went to Edgewater Sports Park to make a few hits. Man, it did awesome. We were really pleased. But then last pass, we were going to make another one, but the last pass we ended up making, we had a little bit of a high gear delete situation, so we made it the decision to go get our old transmission that we sold to our buddy Mike. We raced Ultra Street last year with him. It was sitting in his garage, so Heath and I went and picked that up, and then the boys drove on here. And by the time that all happened, we got here about 3 o'clock in the morning, and then we worked until the sun come up to get the new transmission and everything in it, and then slept for a few hours, and now we're here. But Mike, man, as a true friend, he's an older gentleman. He falls asleep at like 9:30, so I called him at 10 o'clock. He didn't answer. I called him multiple times. Called his son, like, Mike's not answering. So we literally just showed up to his house at 11, knocked on the door, and he wasn't even like confused that we were there. Like, we knew as soon as he opened the door why we were there. So worked out fine. But now we're here for War in the Woods. And that's probably a bunch of rambling, but we're excited, man. We're excited to meet new people, excited to race with you guys. Nick's been begging us to run no prep for 2 years probably. So we finally built something that I love this thing. It's cool. It's got a lot of character, and I think we probably won't show it this weekend because it's, what, 5th or 6th hit on the car. But I think we got a hot rod.
Yeah, I didn't film anything last night. So we have no sleep. We got a new input shaft. Party Pack's car got fixed because he blew apart the intercooler. I mean, what else is there? I about ripped my front end off on the way down here. I got Dave Sherman, 4th pair down, 1st round, left lane. I have no idea what tune-up I'm gonna put in this thing, because what I made a test sit on yesterday is nothing like what I thought this was gonna be today. So, well, I thought this was gonna be like what I was on yesterday, but it's not anything close. So I turned boost down a bunch, but with these gates, it makes a lot more than normal. So I'm pretty sure it's just gonna make still just a bunch of boost, and I'll either just have to pedal it or just drive the balls off.
Well, the last pass we saw was at Muncie. What happened there?
Yeah, so the last pass, there was another big tire car there, so I raced just because I know people wanted to see people race. I kind of knew the car was probably going to spin, and it spun really, really bad. I rode first gear out, and I should have let out because he already had me covered and beat big time. But I rode first gear out way too long, and it was spinning really bad, and I shifted in a second and just dead stuck the tire and snapped the input shaft. So yeah, so we were up all night changing my input shaft and fixing his car, and then barely made it here in time, but luckily the rain bought us some time because it sprinkled a little bit, but it looks like it's getting ready to rain a bunch, so it may just be a rain out. Who knows? I just updated him, but I feel like you're way better at it.
I'll give you the update. First off, head over to mac.com, get yourself some merch.
It's midamericacustoms.com, but either way.
The wind's blowing awfully hard today, folks, so just ignore any kind of turbulence that I've got in my left ear, but
we need a burnout.
Can we get a party pack merch code? Party pack merch code coming up. Be on the lookout for that. The merch code?
What are we selling?
Never lift.
You lifted. You lifted in a wheelie.
Hey, what does the promo code get you? You can't just
done.
put it in.
I'm done. I'm done.
This is constructive criticism. This isn't me being mean. Ask him.
Wheels fall off, the race is over.
What?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't either.
It's gonna earn you a high 5. That's about it.
No, really, Mac 20. I'll get you 20% off Mac merch.
20% off Mac merch, Mac 20.
I bet Nick smokes a tire.
I've never smoked a tire in my life. I don't do drugs.
You broke an input shaft last night because you smoked the tire, and then you consisted.
Because I didn't want to run, and you guys made me run.
I didn't make you do
You
anything.
made me run. I tried not to.
We see who wears the pants.
I got shorts on, so do you.
Well, if I pull them down further, now they're pants. Good breathe.
I tried to pull the chute, but it was just like it was in the air.
It was fast.
Yeah.
And then it lost all traction. It's gone.
Bro.
Okay. I'm alright.
Personally playing.
Look at you. Yeah, that's why we pulled the pin on the fire, though, dude.
That's why we got to. Yeah.
Yep. That's right.
Well,
Dude, everything.
it was really good until it wasn't. Yeah. And then here comes the fire.
I'm not going to say the line this time.
Yay, Carter. It's just a fry out. The shocks were old.
Yeah.
The radiator was beat up. I don't need to have to come here. Well, track's a little bumpy. I got scared. But we're safe. Car didn't burn to the ground. It's just like from the firewall forwards messed up. And basically just means we get better shocks, front, brakes, wheels, a bigger motor, and bigger turbos. Upgrade season. And it didn't catch on fire and I didn't die, so might be a little stiff tonight. That's alright. Not a few beers won't handle.
Is it ready for next round?
I did win the round.
We did win.
We did win.
Positive.
Can we just ratchet strap the wheelie bars up here and just roll on the front wheelie bars?
I feel like it could be doable.
How would you steer?
Listen, no cloud issue with details.
Steering
Yeah.
got us in trouble.
Yeah, Dad, look at what steering got us. We need innovation right now, not excuses.
Yeah, whose else car can we race? Yeah. You have to race your own
There's
car.
already been 3 people ask me, hey, do you want to take my car for next round? I'm like, did you see what I just did?
You willing to lose it?
I'd be honored for you to wreck my car.
How many moos are out there, dude? I thought we had the only one.
Who called me? He's like, what the heck, dude? I said, had one up, yeah.